If your doctor has talked about replacing 2 heart valves, here is what that operation actually involves. Double valve replacement is open heart surgery, where 2 diseased heart valves are replaced with artificial valves in one operation. When valves become scarred, narrowed, or leaky, the heart works much harder, causing breathlessness, fatigue, and fluid retention. Common causes include rheumatic heart disease, age-related valve degeneration, infection of the valve tissue, and congenital valve abnormalities. A heart team, cardiologist, surgeon, imaging specialist, and anesthetist reviews scans and overall fitness to decide if surgery is suitable. Replacement valves come in 2 types: mechanical valves that last decades but need lifelong blood thinners, or tissue valves that wear out sooner. The surgeon opens the chest through the breastbone. A heart-lung machine takes over circulation while the heart is temporarily stopped. The surgeon removes both diseased valves, stitches in the new ones, and then carefully restarts the heart. The operation takes 4 to 6 hours. Recovery begins in intensive care for 1 to 3 days, followed by a cardiac ward stay. Hospital stays typically last around a week. Over 6 weeks, the breastbone heals. Patients follow chest precautions, walk daily, and gradually return to normal activities over 3 to 6 months. Cardiac rehabilitation, supervised exercise, education, and lifestyle support is widely recommended by heart societies as part of recovery. Risks include bleeding, irregular rhythms, stroke, and infection. The surgeon explains your individual risk profile based on overall health. Afterwards, lifelong follow-up includes cardiology visits, periodic echocardiograms, and, with mechanical valves, careful blood thinner monitoring. Did you know? You can get this treatment abroad at the same quality you'd get in the US or Europe, for a fraction of the cost. Ginger Healthcare is one of the world's most trusted medical travel companies. It helps patients to find safe and affordable care in India, Thailand, Turkey, Singapore, Dubai, Malaysia, and more. Visit ginger.healthcare or check the description for details.